This is the best time to start off a video like this in the new year. The last time I did a video like this, it was 2023, and I said that it was the last one, and it's true. This is the first one of 2024, and we started off when it rains. This was really the only day that I could have made a video like this before I went over to my other house, and then Bosco would not be there. It would be Zelda instead, but I wouldn't have time to do Bosco videos anymore, aside from today. I hope the sound quality is okay, because it might be kind of loud underneath the umbrella. And we would be getting snow right now if it was colder, but it's too warm to be snow, so it's raining instead. Oh, that's what I was hitting. I was trying to duck under the bird feeder, but I ended up hitting it either way. Okay, let's see if I can get across. Ooh, the snow is still pretty deep over here. Maybe this isn't a good idea. Most of the snow over here is yellow. Oh, wow. I used to go exploring in that forest over there, but I haven't seen it in a while. Or at least, in the winter. Usually I go exploring in the spring, summer, or fall, but I never go back there in winter, but I probably should at some point when it's warm enough, because it looks a lot, cooler. Like, there's no giant plants that I'm gonna have to, walk through, because the winter kills all of that, so, I don't know, that might be a thing I might do in another video. If you guys want to see that, then comment down below. What are you doing, Bosco? Yeah, hi. Yeah, say hi to everyone. Okay, Bosco, watch out. Watch out. Watch out, buddy. I'm gonna go over here more. Thankfully, there's a few paths that I can walk through without having to go through the snow. The problem is that it's super muddy, because all the snow is melting, and now there's rain on top of it. Oh, the snow's so deep. Whoa, look at right there. Right there, it's probably, so deep. It's probably the deepest part of the yard. Oh, gosh. Yeah, it definitely is. Yeah, look how deep that went. And this is still the snow that we got from last year. It just never melted. Good boy, Bosco. Alright, yeah. Bosco's definitely ready to go inside because it's raining. So I'm gonna take him in and just chill with him for a little bit, and I'll see you guys in the next video.